Hello, this is Julian, and here we're gonna talk about how you get a battery gears unstuck
So is it the gears are stuck or is it they're slipping?
when they're slipped.
And what noise do they make when they slip?
And this is the noise that they make when they slip. Wait, Daddy.
Go for it. Give it a bit. Whoa, that's too much gas.
Sorry.
All right.
Okay. So you heard the sound. It's a little crazy, and so me and my dad are gonna fix it.
All right. So what's first step? What do we
So
got?
first, we're gonna take off this.
We
take off this.
Yeah. Take off the
Part.
body.
We're gonna take off the body.
Right.
Then we're gonna take off a bit down here. It's this bit. Sorry about the fingers. It's right there.
All right.
So we're gonna. My dad's just taking off the.
So what tools do we need?
We need a.
What kind of screwdriver does that look like?
We need a. Phillips.
Phillips. Yep. Which
We need
looks
a
like
Phillips screwdriver, which looks like a plus sign, and we'll screw these out. And I can't wait to tell my friends
Tell your friends what?
that I made my first video.
Your first YouTube video?
Yeah.
And what's your first YouTube video all about?
It's gonna be all about how you get this the gears unstuck
On a traxxas?
on a track stampede.
Okay, that looks like it's good. So we'll go ahead and pull that screw out. Okay, now the bottom one's a little trickier. You have to get it on an angle, so.
Sorry about that, guys.
I can't move my arm, I need it. So if you push the wheel up out of the way, it's a little easier. So if you just take your thumb, and push on the bottom arm there.
Okay, my dad's just got that out.
All right, so here, I'll switch you.
Okay.
So if you look real close, you can see that we've damaged some of the teeth from the grinding. So we're gonna need a new gear eventually, aren't we?
Yeah.
We could do that in a different video though, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Maybe in the next video, we're gonna do that.
Yep. So, Julian, take the regular screwdriver. So you see these two screws right here? One down here and one up here. You see those, bud?
This one?
Yep. Those are what hold your motor in. And when the bottom one slips away, when the bottom one comes loose, it lets the motor slip away from the gears. So like that. So you can see the bottom one lets it swivel. So you want to have it up there, but not too tight. All right, Julian, you want to go ahead and tighten that screw?
Which one?
Yep, that one. Oh, hang on, we got a different problem. There's a problem. So you see that? That's what's slipping. So there's a little Allen key that goes in there.
What key?
And that Allen key holds, you see that flat part right there?
Yeah.
That Allen key holds that on there. And this is turning. So it needs to be set in place. So first we gotta fix that. Here, you hold this and I'll go get a set of Allen keys.
Okay. Mine just grab me.
Yeah.
My dad's just gone to get an Allen key. And this is what it looks like from the inside. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Actually pretty cool, I meant. And this is as well as the traxxas Stampede.
All right, so
And over here we also have traxxas slash. Maybe in the next video we'll make a stylish one to see which one is better. Which one's better to buy. We're back to Stampede.
All right, so I've got that tight. Next, I'm going to push the motor up against the gears, fairly snug, but not too snug, and then tighten that bottom screw. You just give the gear a bit of a spin, make sure it spins nice. Yep, so the gears are nice and aligned. You can see that they look, can you get them there? See the gears, they're in a nice straight line. They line up together. Hold it straight, there you go. All right, so we'll turn it on and we'll see if that grinding noise is gone. Ready? Julian, you got it on there?
Ready, set.
Oh, controller's off, there we go. Oh, wrong controller. There it goes. All right, now try it.
Is it ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's done. Yay! And that is how you fix the Stampede. Sorry about that.
All right, and then you just put the covers back on and you're good
And
to go.
maybe you wanna show a video of them seeing how they work?
Well, we can do a different video for that because we're already pretty long. So anything to say in the closing?
Okay, in our next video, we might be able, for me and my dad, to tell you guys which one's better and which one's worse. And as you can see, there is we're gonna be comparing the traxxas slash and the traxxas Stampede that we just fixed.
All right, anything else to say before you say goodbye?
So,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. Goodbye.